Hi, my name is Kevin from Freelance World, and today I'm going to be talking about national insurance contributions. Most people who work have to pay national insurance contributions to HMRC, which is Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs. Employers also have to pay national insurance contributions on the earnings and benefits they provide to employees. National insurance contributions build up an individual's entitlement to certain state benefits, such as the state pension and employment support allowance. An individual stops paying national insurance once they reach state pension age. National insurance contributions are split up into different classes. What I'll do now is go on and just explain some of the different classes of national insurance and who they apply to. The first class of national insurance type is Class 1 primary contributions. This is payable by employees, including directors. This type of national insurance is usually deducted at source from the employee's salary by the employer, which is then payable to HMRC. Class 1 national insurance contributions are payable at a rate of 12%, and they are charged on an employee's earnings before tax. The next type of national insurance contribution is Class 1 secondary contributions. This is payable by employers at 13.8% of an employee's gross earnings over an amount called the earnings threshold. The Class 1 secondary contributions are usually paid to HMRC on a monthly basis, together with the previously mentioned Class 1 national insurance contributions. The next type is Class 1A contributions, which are payable by employers. They're payable by employers and employees' benefits, such as a company car or perhaps private medical insurance, and these are generally calculated and paid annually. Class 2 contributions are payable by the self-employed, and they're payable by the majority of self-employed individuals at a flat rate. This is either monthly or quarterly. If self-employed earnings are below a certain level, then you can apply actually not to pay them. Next type is Class 3 national insurance contribution. These contributions are actually voluntary, and they're payable at a flat rate by those who have not paid enough national insurance contributions to perhaps qualify for benefits such as the state pension. Class 4 contributions are also payable by the self-employed, much like Class 2 contributions, and they're payable by self-employed individuals who have made a certain amount of profit in the year. This is calculated annually using the self-assessment tax return form. Thanks for listening to my explanation on the different types of national insurance contributions. It can get a bit tricky, so if you're needing any further advice, feel free to contact us at Freelance World, and we'll certainly do all we can do to help.